Welcome to the Philippines, babe. I'm John.
I'm Jan. I'm Esther. I'm Nettie.
We're about to go on an adventure, baby. Let's go!
One more.
Good morning, Philippines. Welcome back to J&J's Adventure. All right. So today, we are going to continue where we left off yesterday. All right, so again, we are working on the laundry room right now. So today, we're hopefully going to have at least this wall here done, which will enclose the laundry, and it will give us our doorway, which is going to be right here. Again, we're going to add the frame, which is going to add another 4 inches on the sides there. So we're going to have a total 36-inch door right there. This wall should be mostly done today. We have a load of rebar coming because, again, there is no rebar here. So we ordered it in 20 pieces there. So that should bring us about 40 pieces there to be able to do all this wall right here, as well as that. And then when we get down to Mr. Tata, he's over here doing some skim coat. Mr. Tata, good morning, sir. All right. So yesterday, if you remember correctly, he did these 3 walls here. 1, 2, and 3. Plus, he did all this wall all by himself right there. Yes. He was such a big boy. And today, we're going to do the pier. We're going to get that squared up. We're going to make it look all nice and pretty. And then we're probably going to head right over here to this wall here. And then this wall here. Again, we're not going to be doing the door jambs because I got to put a finish coat. And then once I put my finish frame on it, then he can come and do the 2 to 4 inches there. And then we can start working in on the shower. Yep. Doing the same exact thing. We're going to skim coat it. And then from there, we're going to work on, again, the linen closet here, and then right back to the laundry room, which this is the doorway to the laundry room. So basically, when you take a shower, all your dirty clothes, you just come right across the hall, and you drop your dirty clothes, boom, right here in the laundry, and then you should be good. And there's Mr. Loy. He's doing the best thing right there on the wall. Yabber dabber do right there. All right, so we're going to end up giving you an update. When we do, we always do. We'll talk to you then. All right. Welcome back, adventurers. Okay, so here is your afternoon update. So yes. We finished up the wall. We squared it up. Yes. Nice little bevel there. We squared it up. We leveled the top there, right there. Yes, we did. We even did that. So Tata did a good job doing that. And then he started coming over here. And he did the outsides of these here, which is the shower room here. And he started our shower room here. And there we go there again. That's a perfect size for our drain. So we're going to put it against that wall. We've made that decision. That wall is going to go there. And then Tata's brother, Laloy, started doing our wall here. We started doing our wall for the laundry. Yes. And we marked out where our beam wall is. See, this is our beam wall here. And so we went out. We marked it, and we put the 2 more beams there with our string. Now that we've got the concrete in, we can take it off. So we were able to put our beams wall here. And now if you look at it from the side of where it's supposed to be, so right here, you see, now that beam wall lines right up there, you see. It lines right up with my thumb, lines right up right at the thumb. See that right there? That's all the wall right there. It's going to come right here in between the 2 points. Now, the good thing about this is we're going to make a pier, which is going to be 8 by 20 inches here. And then we're going to tie it into this wall right here. And then we're going to cement block that in. So this pier is going to be about 20 feet high. Okay, because that's going to carry your beam. And then from there, we're going to cement all of that in. That's going to be all concreted in. Now it's going to be tied into here. It's going to be tied into there. And this load-bearing beam is going to be right on top of this pier. And that pier is going to be like bam, bam, bam. Nice and strong, my friend. And then we had to put another one at the very, very end to end the beam as well. But in the middle of it, we can lay it on the wall here. We can lay it on the wall there. In the back there with the can there, you'll see like a 20, 30-foot wall going up into there. And what we have to do there is after we're done, we put another pier there. So we go from A to be and lay everything else on the middle here as far as that goes there. But yeah, we are getting stuff done, and next week we're going to try to get some laborers, because see, we're at the point now where we really can't go any further. You see, we're at the point where we can't go any further because, see, we're in the kitchen now. See, and once that laundry room wall is done, we have the kitchen here. We have our living room over there. You see what I'm saying? And then we got our pantry here. So again, this beam wall here is going to be part of the pantry. We're going to have an 8-foot pantry, and then that's going to go down. And then again, your doorway is going to be somewhere right about over here, so we can go into the pantry. And then that's going to go all the way through the rest of the kitchen, and then through the dirty kitchen. And then on the other side of that, over here in this corner, is going to be the dining room. And then we're going to have a doorway over there going out past the living room over there, going out past the living room into the block area as well. So we'll show you all that, but we did start our beam wall, which is also part of the pantry as well. But getting back to it, we need to dig all this right here. See, we need to dig all that. If you notice that down there where the septic is, you see how it's got a gap here, and then it comes back up, and then it goes up above the ground. So all this needs to be dug out so I could put the drainage in, because we have a in the sink here in the dirty kitchen, then we have another sink here, and then we have a shower, we have a toilet, we have a sink. It's all going to be in there. All that drain pipe is going to be right on down here. So we're going to have to do a pipe video too as well, but we need to get all this dug out. So we need to get that done, and then to go into the dirty kitchen, we need to have all this dug out, we need to have all that dug out, and then again, because we have to go another 10 feet out that way, we need to have all that dug out as well. So that's our future plans right now. And we got a poi poi over there. Poi poi. He's a little adventurer himself, yeah. Poi Poi the adventurer. All right, all right, all right. But let's give you the overall view here. I'll have to step back into the jungle today. Holy crack. All right, so here we go. All right, we're going to step into the jungle here. All right, so we did our pantry wall here, which is also the beam wall. And the pantry wall is going to come back out here. We're going to have a single wall here, because outside is going to be the dining room and the rest of the living room. And then our doorway to the outside is going to be somewhere over there. But we did get some of the wall done here. We rebarred the holy hell out of that. We rebarred the holy hell out of that. And so the overall view is that the laundry room is getting done. The pantry wall has been started. And the step over this here. All right. Now, the shower room is being skim coated as well. All right. So we got the 2 walls. We're going to come back over here. He's going to level that. And then he's going to come over here. We're going to get all this done as well. All right. But this is where we are so far. And this is how we do it. Right, boy, boy? All right, all right. We are J&J. And this baby is our adventure.